Welcome back. Let's continue our practice of proofs. To save your time, I already copied down these two given. B is a midpoint of segment AE. I can go ahead and label it. I say this is 1, 1. Once I label it, I can start to say 2 is derived from the first one. So I have segment AE is congruent to segment BE. And the first one, it is given to us. The second one, you saw in the previous video, we can use it again, definition of midpoint. All right, third one we copied down earlier, and we're going to repeat one more time. B is the midpoint of segment CD. This time I'm going to go ahead and label it. All right, then I can derive the fourth one from the third one. I say segment CB, you are congruent to segment BD. So this is also given. And this is also definition of midpoint. All right? Now, next one, let's go ahead and look at these two angles. Did you see this angle and this angle? They are vertical angles. Vertical angles congruent. All right, so we're going to write down here 5. We're talking about angles. We say angle ABD. You are congruent to angle EBC. Why? Vertical angles congruent. Vertical angles, it is a theorem, so I'm going to put down theorem. All right, let's see what we have. We have, this is a side, and that's another side, and that is angle. So we have side, angle, side. Let's go back to look at here. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Now I run out of space, so my last one, number 6. 6, I just drag this one here. I say these two triangles are congruent. By what? And I'm going to put down my reason is by side, angle, side, congruence. It's a postulate. And then I'm carefully write down QED right here. We are done here. Just a friendly reminder, when you write down, you wrote side, side, angle, right? This. Please do not write down SSA. And when you go back to the diagram, you look at the diagram, shows to you is SAS. Okay? That is the end of this proof.